Hi guys. So CAAR, how does it works? By definition, this function returns the first item of the first list item in the list. So let's have an example. We have a previous example of CAAR of list of 1, 2, 3 and 7, 8, 9. So we have a list of lists. Okay, so what does it return? It returns 1. Why is that? Because it says here this function returns the first item of the first list item in the list. So let's have a good translation for this list in our notepad here. Okay, so CAAR. This is translated as car of car. Okay, so in this list we have, if we get the car of this list, we have the car, we have this 1, 2, 3. And then we get the car again of that, we have 1. That's why we have the 1 here. Alright, so it returns the first item of the first list item in the list. This is the first list item in the list, and it returns the first item. That's why we have 1. Another example we have is CAAR, a list of hello world people and another list of characters. We have here the C. We have the hello because this is the first list item in the list, and it returns the first item of that list, which is hello. Okay, now if we apply that command into the definition data of the line and let me just get the definition data of the line. This is what we have. So can you guess now what is the return value if we issue the CAAR? CAAR of and get of end last. This is our first item in the list, the first list item, and the car of that, which is -1. We should be getting -1. Let's see if we're correct. Yes, we are. So here, this is our list. By definition, it says returns the first item of the first list item in the list. So this is the first item in the list. And what is the first item of that? -1. It's the car of car. All right. In the next video, we are going to explore the last list function with all these CAAR and CDR combination, which is the CDDR. I'll see you there.